vlog. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, vlog? I'm in my truck. Got done with the Mentor about 2 days ago. Let me show you around this truck. Alright, vlog. So this is my truck, a 2020 International. Real gorgeous, you know what I mean? Trailer on the back. As you can see. Okay. Brand new. Look at it. 26,000 miles. My shoes, you know, bought a little trash can, the socks, and get them out that way. Sorry, I got this yesterday. I spent like $250 on stuff yesterday. You know, look a vest. I bought this microwave yesterday. It came with a fridge. I stocked it up with some stuff. You know what I mean? I have a naked juice in there, freeze when I'm ready for it. Got some vegetarian sausages and stuff, some eggs. I bought a hot plate. I just cooked breakfast this morning, and actually it was really good. This is my bed. This is my top bunk, my clothes, and if anybody wanna come join on the road. More food over here, so you see me? And more food over here, so I might move. Alright, vlog, so this is like 2 days after I recorded the last video. I'm in what is this? I think Colorado right now. I'm about to do an inspection. Yo, this area is very beautiful, yo. Got the mountains in the background over there, and I came through a city. It was nice. So now I gotta open the back of the trailer to do the inspection. I have to put down the vest. You see me? I might move. Alright, people, so I'm in Colorado. I'm about like 200 and some miles from my drop. I ended up stopping at a rest stop. I'm gonna spend the night here because I don't got no more driving hours. But yeah, Colorado. It's not bad at all. See, so I'm at this rest stop. I was trying to, I probably should have did it earlier. Pull over on the side of the road where it's like by the mountains and stuff, so it could be like a more epic view for the vlog. The iPhone vlog. I call them vlog here the iPhone vlog. But yeah, they got like little signs and stuff with like history on it. Ranching on the Powder River, all types of stuff. But see, that's the background. You guys can probably see a little bit of mountain right there, but it's not as big as the one that was like on the road. Or it's probably one all the way. Let me see if I can point to it in the camera. Like right there's a mini one. They're all over the place. But I'm about to go cook some food. Got me hungry, isn't me? I might move. Alright guys, so I'm making the food right now. See? Definitely have to have a hot plate today, a truck driver, have to. And then I got the vegan sausage, the cheese right there, so. Just a chef it up a look of it, you know what I mean, a look of it. Alright guys, so I dropped off the load and I'm shut down for the day. I have to pick up another load somewhere in Wyoming and bring it, I don't even know how I'm bringing it yet. But I shut down a good place this time. Watch this vlog. See, there's other trucks parked around here. Watch this. Y'all see this? Shut down in the middle of nowhere. It's beautiful, man. It's beautiful.